Hello everyone, welcome to my class Learning English. I am Giancarlo Antonio Guevara Marquez, and this opportunity I will going to talk about the topic can and negative can't, right? Can is the mother verb and just like mine and other mother verbs. It has different function. We have already seen that it is used especially to talk about the skill or ability in general, right? So now the verb can is the modal verb, and we can find it before a main verb that will always be in the infinity, right? So how you can use the verb can? So you have a clear before a the verb in ing, right? So before and the verb ing, because it is the function, the auxiliary verb, right? So can is the auxiliary verb. So the next verb, this is the ask when and who is the modal verb can use, right? Different use that have this topic can and can't, right? So the next part, it is used to talk about skill, to ask for permission, to make a request, to talk about a possibility, or to make an offer. This modal verb can be used with any subject, but always accompanying the main verb. For example, can to ask for permission. This is example in question. Can I go to the toilet? So the next, I can go to the bathroom, right? So this equation be used the modal verb can, right? Can in question, can is the first verb in question, right? So the next part, now any example for modal verb in negative and modal verb in past. For example, in negative, cannot to express ability, and I cannot play the guitar. You always talk can como cannot, right? So this is the song in negative can. For example, in these sentences, I cannot play the guitar. It is the function in negative. Express the ability in negative, right? I don't know how to play the guitar. The more verb can in past. For example, could to express ability in past. For example, in past, the mention is cool. Cool is the word or verb pronunciation cool, right? In past. When I was younger, I could run faster. When I was younger, I could run faster. This example, I could run faster. Different expressibility in past, right? So the use in past. So the next part, this is a exercise of the verb can in past and interrogative. Different use interrogative and past, right? So the first part, Charlie whispered sometime to any, but what is the answer? Well, I can use cool. This is the first answer, but I could not understand what he say. So the next, I remember this song. Okay, so in negative, for example, you can use cannot. I cannot remember this song. This is the sentence. I cannot remember this song. It's the very long and difficult to remember. So the next part, I am. If I cannot, cannot, I cannot go to your windows. Before the verb go, cannot, I cannot go to your window. I have just mentioned the plane, right? So the next, when I was younger, I could speak 4 languages, because in this part talking about in past time. For example, the verb speak in past time, right? So in the next, I run 10 kilometers in 1 hour, although running. For example, in this part, express the ability. You can use it can, because I can run 10 kilometers in the 1 hour, although running, because explains the ability in present. Well, and the answer number 1 is couldn't, the number 2 cannot, number 3 cannot, number 4 could, and 5 the can. Thank you for you watching my presentation.